All the products you see, they're self-bought. I didn't want to give you a wrong impression or that you're feeling like unnerved. Not sure if you're getting an ad. You're definitely not. I'm just sharing my passion and the tools I use for it. Oh, wow, it's beautiful out here. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new nature wildlife video. I'm out here in the forest again, and at first it was kind of hard to get up at 5 a.m. But now it was so worth it. It's so beautiful out here. I'm very grateful, and I hope that I can capture a bit of this magic out here so that you can experience it here for this video. Oh, and also before, when I did some of this walking shots with me carrying the tripod, walking in the forest, it was kind of scary or creepy because I'm always a little afraid when I have to leave my tripod behind me that it'll get stolen or won't be there anymore. And it was so dark that walking away from the tripod, when I turned to get it, I couldn't see it anymore. And I couldn't see it until I was 1 meter or 1.5 meters away from it, which was absolutely crazy. I'm so surprised at the colors out in the forest, because there's so much autumn colors, even though it's winter, or the next season will be spring, with all this orange brown leaves and just this rust color. It kind of surprised me, but it's beautiful. And it's also crazy how the atmosphere and the mood in the forest can change so fast from sunny or warm to this moody, foggy atmosphere, like in a fairy tale. And here I actually recorded a pigeon. I never did that before, and I'm very happy with this clip because I realized that they can be very cute, and I never gave them that much attention. So it's very cold today. My fingers are starting to get cold as well. But the mood and the atmosphere and the look in the forest, it's beautiful with all the fog and the frost. And at first I was hoping for good weather, so this is good weather as well, so it's really beautiful, so it's good weather as well. But I was hoping for sun so that I would be able to see the mountains, but I guess that's for another day. And I also wanted to thank you for the beautiful comments on my previous video. So the first video like this that I published, those 2 comments were so nice and they truly made my day. So thanks a lot. And I hope that I can give you something in return with this video. Enjoy. I was a little bit sad, and I guess I still am, that I just can't spot the woodpeckers. I saw on the app before, there's the great spotted woodpecker here, and also the less spotted woodpecker, which is rarer to see. Yeah, and you can hear them now, just in the background. It's truly beautiful out here. The forest is so beautiful with the light coming through, but also with the fog. And I think because it's like foggy and overcast, the light is still very soft and beautiful, even though it's already, I think it's 9:35 a.m. So already past 9, and the sun is already very high in here, and the light is so beautiful. It's still so beautiful. So I guess that's definitely an up. And with that, this day came to an end. The colors of a sunset that really brightens up the sky with bold colors, with intense colors. I could watch that for an eternity. The beauty is that in the morning, when you get up early, you often get to see similar colors. This morning now, it's another day. I didn't get to see any special animals or things. So I saw a few birds, but not like a woodpecker or something special. At least special to me. I mean, every animal is nice. Nearly every animal is nice. There are a few animals I really don't like. But aside of that, I'm grateful I came out here into the woods. And it's a good experience to learn out of it for me. Because I sometimes have a hard time accepting that I didn't got the shot I wanted to have or I wanted to get. Yeah, but it's just life. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. And today I got to make beautiful shots of me recording. So that was an up. And also standing here right beside the creek is really beautiful. And yeah. Now I guess I need to go back home because it's 9 o'clock again and I don't want to get the ticket. And now the best is still yet to come, because on the way back I actually got to spot woodpeckers. I was so excited and just so grateful that I got to experience that, because I didn't think I got to see woodpeckers on that day. I was just walking back towards my car to drive away, and then I heard woodpeckers, and now I'm truly jeopardizing my ticket, or my luck to don't get the ticket. Yeah, and I set up the camera, and I actually got to capture 2 woodpeckers, and what I'm the most proud of is that I spotted them. I don't know if this frame is something, but I'm back in my car and I have no ticket. There is no ticket, so no fee. Yeah, very grateful. And I got to see woodpeckers and to capture them. That was great.